Hello and welcome to the BIS Talks. Today we will be talking about the standardizations done by the Mechanical Engineering Department of the Bureau of Indian Standards. Have you ever wondered what roles machines play in our lives? Look around you and you will definitely agree with me that they help us make our lives better by improving our safety and performance. Today we are going to tell you about the standardization in this field. Mechanical engineers use principles of modern science to create machines to meet a wide range of human needs. Hence, the objective of mechanical engineering is to create products that complement modern living in every way. Till date, the Mechanical Engineering Department of BIS has formulated around 1,356 standards. These areas cover products, code of practices, methods of test, terminology, among many others, which we have listed here for you. Let's first hear from the chairman of the council.
Mechanical Engineering Division of BIS oversees standards for heavy engineering, serving the core sectors of economy such as energy, mining, transportation, as well as the light engineering sector encompassing consumer goods to utility products.
Let's hear from the head of the department who leads the effort of setting standards in BIS for the Mechanical Engineering Department.
It is the constant endeavor of BIS to formulate standards and revise standards that are in line with national priorities and emerging technologies.
To state it simply, wherever there is a need to ensure safety, reliability, and efficiency of products and tools that require mechanical expertise, the department has an active role to play by setting standards. India is a tropical country with most parts experiencing hot and humid climate. Living in such places without an air conditioner makes life quite harsh. Usage of air conditioners and refrigerators has extended beyond comfort. It has been directly linked to health and efficiency and is being used extensively for domestic, commercial, and industrial use. BIS standardized these products to ensure good performance, efficiency, decreased power consumption, and better safety. To know more about this, let us hear from Member Secretary, BIS.
There are two Indian standards on room air conditioners, IS 1391 Part 1 on unitary air conditioners, commonly known as window AC for up to 3 ton, and IS 1391 Part 2 on split air conditioners, commonly known as split AC for up to 5 ton.
Have you ever wondered what modern life would be without a refrigerator? I mean, not just about the ice and cold drinks, but the huge lot of conveniences they offer in terms of storing food and other stuff. Modern life also demands commercial refrigerating appliances like deep freezers, walk-in cold rooms, and display cabinets. I think you will agree with me that to be completely efficient and effective, they too need to follow seamless standards. Let's get more clarity on the subject from our expert.
The standard on household refrigerating appliances have been revised recently, where the direct cool and frost-free technology have been merged into a single standard.
The most visible sign of implementation of these BIS standards could be seen on the humble, everyday pressure cooker. The pride of every kitchen should come with an ISI mark, that's for sure.
IS 2347 covers the requirements for domestic pressure cookers.
Cooking gas mostly comes in the form of LPG or liquefied petroleum gas. This is the go-to cooking solution that we are so familiar with, and the risk factor gets minimized to negligible through the standards set by BIS. Let us now understand this better with a manufacturer who will acquaint us with the value of standards.
IS 3196 Part 1 standard is for manufacturing cylinders for liquefied petroleum gases (LPG).
Up next is the gas stove. The importance of this standard can be estimated by the fact that there are about 300 BIS licensees for one single product, the LPG gas stove. To make them safe, efficient and reliable, multiple tests are conducted before certifying LPG stoves, which have been specified as per IS 4246. If we are asked to make a list of things we need for a complete peace of mind, I am sure most of us will have safety and security at the top of that list. Not just for our own selves, but also for the things that we value, stuff that we have earned and assembled by spending time and energy, our most important assets. Simply said, to keep our earnings and valuables safe, we need a safe. The department has also made its foray into national security. Numerous standards are under the process of formulation. The subcommittee on standardization on ballistic security products has taken up the subject on BP Morcha, BP Bunker, BP Patka, mobile sentry post and observation tower for standardization. The ropeways. You must have seen them in the mountains, taking people and materials over steep inclines. This special form of transportation uses a tensioned wire rope supported above the ground to carry persons and materials. With modest power demands and no need for tracks or roads, they also help in preserving the environment. That's the pledge of BIS Mechanical Engineering Department, augmenting national growth. The journey goes on with the new frontiers opening up. To know more about the programs and details of the department and its functions, you can visit our website. Thank you.